See, every party has in common one issue that SIR has to be discussed. But the sad part is that the winter session will work for only 12 days, 15 days, and out of that 12 days will be normal days, except Friday, private members' day. In that, government has got 14 bills in hand, and we have got too many issues like SIR in common, and the funds allocation to the Manarega is coming down year over year. For Tamil Nadu, the Samakra Shiksha fund is being accumulated for it has come to about 3,000 and odd crore, which is also not being given. And one university we are going to establish the name of Kalaignar. The governance of giving assent has referred to the president. For what reason we do not know. And metro rail project Coimbatore and Madurai, it has been denied, citing this reason or that reason. Expansion of airports also not being given. When the union government is showing very much interest towards some of the states which are ruling by BJP and its allies, why should it totally victimize the opposition ruling parties? So either we have to raise these issues, means the two opportunities are available either through short duration discussion or calling attention, which also the government doesn't consider at all. The number of working days is very less, and the business is more for the government, and the opposition has too many issues. Then the parliament, which is meant for both the sides, is now working for only one side. And the government is not responding to any of our demands or issues which we raise. Even here they just listen to us. But we still repose hope and confidence. It will work. It will come into effect.
Entire opposition raised the issue of SIR, and the entire opposition want to discuss on SIR.
Every party except BJP